Hey everyone, welcome back. Let's get right into a prediction that is both incredibly exciting and equally terrifying. An analyst known as JayDee is projecting that XRP could stage what he calls a biblical rally in the fourth quarter of 2025, potentially reaching prices above $20. And this is a massive, but he also warns that this explosive move could be followed by a devastating crash of up to 90%. This isn't just a random guess. He's basing this on a very specific historical pattern that has played out before. So, let's break down his analysis and see what this could mean for investors. JayDee spotlighted XRP dominance charts in a recent tweet, suggesting the market is entering a critical setup. His core argument revolves around a technical indicator called the stochastic RSI, SRSI, on the monthly time frame. Historical data shows that when this indicator crosses in a bullish way, XRP typically experiences a powerful rally. This exact setup led to some of XRP's most dramatic gains in past cycles, like the massive run in 2017. Another bullish cross appeared in mid-2024, which culminated in a breakout by the end of that year. JayDee believes that if the current setup confirms at the close of the monthly candle, we could see a biblical rally in Q4 2025. Therefore, based on this pattern, he expects XRP's dominance, its share of the total crypto market, to surge from its current level of just 4.61% to close to 12% by the peak of this move. Let's talk numbers. The global crypto market cap is currently around $3.9 trillion, giving XRP a valuation of about $178 billion at its current price of $2.98. If the total market stays at this level and XRP's dominance rises to 12%, its market cap would jump to over $460 billion, pushing the price near $8. Now, if the overall crypto market grows to $10 trillion, a very realistic possibility in a bull market, and XRP hits that 12% dominance, its market cap would be in the trillions, giving us a price above $20 per XRP. And here's the crucial conflict, JayDee immediately follows this euphoric prediction with a severe warning. He points out that these explosive moves have consistently been followed by a collapse of more than 90%. He takes inspiration from what happened in 2018, when XRP lost over 90% of its value just weeks after hitting its then all-time high of $3.84. He describes this as a repeating pattern where excitement drives XRP higher, only to be followed by a devastating crash that wipes out late entrants who bought at the top. He stresses that inexperienced investors often provide the exit liquidity for seasoned traders who take profits at the peak. Therefore, his ultimate advice is to not get carried away by the momentum and forget to take profits. He is cautioning everyone against entering at the height of the bull run to avoid massive financial losses. This prediction, however, wasn't met with universal agreement. A market participant commenting on his post suggested that Ripple is building significant products that could sustain XRP's price trend, preventing such a hard dump after a pump. JayDee maintained his stance, arguing that historical patterns strongly support his claim. So what's the insightful takeaway? JayDee provides a data-driven, historical case for both a monumental rally and a painful crash. It's a classic reminder that in the crypto markets, extreme greed is often followed by extreme fear. But it's also important to remember that the present is never an exact copy of the past. Ripple's ongoing development of real-world utility and products could indeed change the game and create more sustainable demand. Therefore, while it's wise to be aware of this potential boom and bust cycle, it's also crucial to not make decisions based purely on fear. If this rally happens, having a clear profit-taking strategy will be the key to navigating it successfully. What do you think? Will this biblical rally happen? And will you be taking profits if it does? Let me know in the comments. If you enjoyed this discussion, please give the video a like and subscribe for more. Thanks for watching.